Greetings! Ever thought of customizing ordinary things? We are here to help. With Artistro paint pens and easy instructions, you can create on any surface you can think of. Let's go! How to make the fabric design permanent. Wash and dry your fabric prior to painting if possible, then paint away. Place a piece of cardboard inside the paint your design using paint pens. After the paint is completely dry, at least 24 hours, you need to heat set it for permanency and washability. Most fabrics can be heat set using an iron on medium or high heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure you use it without steam.